It definitely could be a new category for Apple. Look, AR/VR is going to be a pretty exciting area, and as you know, Meta is making a pretty big place for itself with the Meta goggles, the Oculus goggles that it has. But I think in that category, Apple would be a me too. I think what was said earlier, that roughly 50% of Apple's revenues still come from the handset. Services are now about 80 billion of revenues. But if you think about some of these markets, fintech, payments, healthcare, where Apple's sort of a stealth player, they're not really there. You don't see them, but they have this huge presence through the iWatch, where it monitors a bunch of stuff which could be used later on to help you out. I think those could be really exciting areas as well. We don't see perhaps the goggle as being a game changer, but we see a lot of these other areas and a lot of these other end markets as being a game changer.
It's a little harsh on the goggles there, but I take your point though that this is going to be a competitive category, but so are the others. Is there a risk that they are just trying to do too much?
No, look, I think Apple's already into a lot of areas. It's a large organization, but you have to think about how they play into areas. They control the entry into the iPhone. For example, I'll cite IDFA, which is their ability last year, as you saw, to be able to cut out people like Meta and others just simply from giving you random advertising on their phones.
Right.
Apple controls that media. They own the device and they control the entry to it. With that, they also have the ability to show you things that they want to sell to you. They haven't done that in a meaningful way, but of course they can if they wanted to. And if you think about it, Apple's probably the only company that I can think of which is proficient in both hardware and software.
True.
So there's a lot of good software companies, Google, Microsoft, a lot of good hardware companies, Samsung, LG, Sony.
Right.
But nobody threads that gap together quite like these guys do, and all in a controlled environment. So that's the beauty about Apple.
It's amazing. Maybe Tesla could do both. But to take your point, this way, in a much bigger, more significant way, Apple. Harsh, thanks for all your thoughts today. It's been fun.
Thank
Harsh
you.
Kumar with Piper Sandler.